Hi, welcome to Mills River SDA School and the upper grade classroom. My name is Mrs. Holt, and I'd like to take you on a tour of our class. We start our morning with Bible, and this is our textbook. We might study the war in heaven, the creation and fall, or the cross of Christ. And then we get to implement it. Last year, we went to an elderly lady's home and helped her gather and stack wood so she'd be warm for the winter. We also help the church with their weeding and their flower beds, planting their bushes and their flowers. Sometimes we go into the community and do our mega booking program. We share books like these and these. After Bible, it's on to math. We use the Big Ideas program. We like to make math creative and fun. We might do group learning, peer tutoring, or small group instruction. After recess comes our literature and language arts program. Here's some literature books that we've read recently. Of course, at that time we do spelling and creative writing, typing, research papers. In fact, we're doing a research paper right now. We also do a vocabulary study with Wordly Wise. Then after lunch is our science program. We have fun with experiments, like maybe making elephant toothpaste or dry ice bottle rockets. This is a picture of us making purple cabbage indicator, where we tested the pH level of different chemicals. We also do social studies after lunch. Here's a manor where we worked as a group to make a medieval times-like manor. We also did a play during that time in the same unit. We like to incorporate fun subjects like art and music and Spanish. These are some of the projects that we did this year. Mrs. Darnell teaches our choir and our Spanish, and Pastor Henderson teaches our guitar. After school, we have various people come in and do our after-school sports program. Here's a group picture of where we went in and did our robotics, and we placed in the national tournament. This is a Lego robot, where we do various missions with that, program it with a computer. Of course, you don't want to forget field trips and class trips. They're lots of fun. Last year, we went to Puerto Rico, and we brought this back. We had many miracles on that trip. We're hoping to go swim with the dolphins this year. Well, I hope you've enjoyed your tour, and I hope I get to meet you soon. Bye for now.